Hello, this is Dana Lynette. Welcome to my channel. Today we are learning to cut a pineapple. If you've never had fresh pineapple, listen, try it and you'll never go back to canned or prepackaged pineapple again. So obviously you saw me twist the top off, and then we're going to cut both ends. You want to have a sharp knife. I had a dull knife because every knife in my kitchen is dull. But that's about it. You cut off the top, you cut off the bottom, and then you go through and slice downward, trying not to cut too much flesh off, but trying to get all of the skin off. For those of you who are fancy and you know how to get the core out, you can get out the core and have those perfect rings. For those of you like me who can't be bothered, just cut the thing into small pieces or medium pieces. Anyway, if you have any tips, this is my first time doing this, but if you have any tips, if you're more of a pro, leave them in the comments so we can all learn from you. Thanks for watching. Y'all stop by again another time.